Of course, it would start raining right now as I'm trying to use natural light. Hopefully the sun doesn't go away. Hey y'all, I'm Brittany. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Brittany. As I just said, if you have already seen my videos or you're subscribed, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying to stretch my ears, which are currently at a 4 gauge to a 2 gauge. If you do not know, I used to have my ears stretched to a 2 gauge and then I took them out. It's probably been about 7 or 8 months since I took them out, and then about a month ago I decided I wanted to re-stretch my ears, and I am currently, again as I just said, at a 4 gauge because I had originally already stretched my ears before, but my ears are a lot more elastic now, so I was able to go from the 14 gauge. I'm not sure if that's actually what I was when I started out stretching for the second time, but I was able to go to whatever small gauge I was to a 4 gauge, which is what I'm at now, in less than a month. I'm pretty much being able to stretch my ears every single week, and again, that's only because I've already stretched my ears before. If you have never stretched your ears before and this is your first time doing it, you need to wait months or weeks at least, like 2 to 3, 4 weeks between stretches so your ears will fully heal. But anyway, I'm blabbering. If you want to see me stretch, then just keep watching. Okay, so first part before you stretch is you need your jewelry, you need your tapers, and you need everything to be clean and sterilized. I've already washed my hands and I've already washed my tapers and my jewelry with antibacterial soap. You always need to do that. Even if the jewelry comes brand new in a package, still wash it. You do not want to infect your ears. So now that everything is washed, my hands are washed, everything is clean, I'm going to take some witch hazel. Generally you want to use rubbing alcohol, but if you don't know, it's kind of hard to find any type of cleaning supplies or alcohol or anything right now. So I'm just going to take witch hazel and I'm going to take out my current tunnels, which are a 4 gauge. That is what they look like. And I have just these little diamond ones so I can easily hide. I have stretched ears. And I'm going to clean the area before I stretch, and this is very important. Just like when you go to a tattoo shop or a piercing shop, before you pierce or clean or pierce or tattoo an area, you always sanitize it first. I'm wearing makeup right now, and when I blend my makeup, I usually blend it to my neck, my ears, you know, everywhere, so you have like everything matches. And if I just went ahead and put my tapers in, it could be pushing whatever makeup or bacteria I have on the outside of my ears into where my ear is, and that's what leads to infections, and you don't want that. So just go ahead and clean. I'm gonna clean the front and the back. And okay, and this is what the hole looks like. Like as you can see, I already have a hole. It's about a little bit smaller than a Q-tip. So now that my hands are clean and my jewelries are clean, you're going to need some type of lubrication. So I have some vitamin E oil. I'm putting it on the taper and I'm putting it around my ear. And now you're just going to take the taper and you're going to push it through. Oh, actually, well, it pinched a little, but it did go all the way through, as you can see. And now we're just going to do the other side. It's okay if it hurts a little bit or if there's like a little pinch, but if it's like not wanting to budge and if it's excruciating pain or if you're bleeding, then do not proceed. You need to take the tapers out. You need to put in your current plugs or tunnels and wait a little bit longer for your ears to finish healing before you try stretching. So that is what they look like with the tapers. And now I'm going to put in these 2 gauge. Well, I gotta go wash that now since I dropped it on the floor. I just washed this. I'm gonna put it in the 2 gauge tapers. Now there are some tapers that you can hook the end of the tunnel to the taper, and so it helps ease it through. But mine are not like that, sadly. So I kind of have to just find my way. So I will usually just like kind of go like that. And then find the hole and push it through. Just like that. And then get your little O-ring. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So as you can see, my ears are very red. My original size when I first stretched my ears was a 2 gauge. So this is what my original sizing was. So I'm guessing now when I try to stretch my ears one more time to the 0 gauges is what my goal size is now, I'm probably going to have to wait a little bit longer than I have been, just because my ears have already been to a 2 gauge before, so stretching it to a 2 gauge was not difficult. But I mean, I could be wrong, it could be easier, but I think that it's probably going to be a little bit more difficult to stretch to a 0 since my ears have not been to that size before, and I'm probably going to have to wait 2 to 3 weeks at the very minimum, opposed to how I've just been able to stretch my ears every single week. I guess we'll see, but that's just a feeling I'm gonna get. But this is what the 2 looks like. If you enjoyed the video, then like it, subscribe. If you want to see me eventually stretch to my 0 gauge, which I don't know if I'm going to stay at that size. I know for sure I want to just test it out. If I don't like it, I'm just going to go back down to a 2. But if you want to see me do that, then watch for that video and subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way when I upload, you do get the notification and you won't miss a video. I hope you have a good day. Bye.